Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to import other user. On Users page, click on Import Users button. Now click here link, so we will download the import format of Excel sheet. User Excel file will download it on PC. Remove the unwanted user from list, and add the user's detail as per Excel sheet format. And save the file properly. Close Excel file, and click on Choose File button, on Import Users page. Now give the proper path of saved Excel sheet, select it, and click on Open button. Click on Import button. We will see that new user data is showing on User Import Preview page. Click on Confirm button and click on OK to import. In this way, we will import users successfully. Now we will see, new user is added in users list. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.